Hey guys, Garry Dean, RapidRideRehab.com, formerly DetailJuice.com. What you're looking at now is the 4-ounce jar of the brand new Chrome Cream. Now, the reason I'm bringing back the Chrome Cream, you guys may have remembered it. This is a brand new version. In fact, the other stuff was white. This is blue, and that means nothing. Just so you know, color means nothing. As far as this formula, this actually has the zirconium oxide in there. It has the refined version for protection, and it has the ceramic, more like powdery version for the abrasive in here. There's also aluminum oxide in here, but this is because I am doing mobile curb rash repair on wheels, and any machined wheel that I grind down and make smooth again, you then have to polish it. Well, I didn't have a chrome polish or aluminum polish in my lineup, so we had to recreate it. So this is an amazing chrome and aluminum polish that will also leave behind good quality protection, but the gloss enhancers, because of that zirconium oxide, it's ridiculous on chrome. So I will have more videos showing you what's going on. I just want to talk about all these products a little bit, show you know what you're getting into. But that's it, man. I mean, it's a good quality. You can use a machine polisher with a pad, I would use a light pad, like a wax applicator pad. You want that mechanical ability of the polisher, but you don't want that pad to outwork this polish. So I would use either a corner of a microfiber by hand, this works great by hand, or you can use a wax applicator pad on a small machine. I would recommend a dual action machine, not a rotary. You'll get just too much heat with the rotary. This product should be used by hand or with a dual action polisher and a wax pad. You'll get phenomenal results with this. But I use this, like I said, for polishing out a repair of curb rashing of wheels. So 813-846-4406 is my cell. If you need me, please let me know. If you have questions about the products, give me a call, send me a text, send me a message on Facebook or Instagram. If I can be of service to you, I'd love to earn your business. I would love to talk to you about your, whatever your project is, however I can help. Let's do that. Anyway, let me know if you need me, and thank you guys so much for watching and listening to me babble. Have a wonderful day.